Tensions rise in the Taiwan Strait as Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense reports a significant escalation in Chinese military activities. In the past 24 hours, Taiwan has detected 19 Chinese military aircraft and 7 naval vessels in its vicinity. Alarming reports revealed that out of the 19 People's Liberation Army aircraft, a staggering 12 crossed the Taiwan Strait median line. In response, Taiwan swiftly deployed aircraft, naval ships and air defense missile systems to monitor and track the movements of the People's Liberation Army. Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense issued a statement confirming the situation. It said 19 PLA aircraft and 7 PLAN vessels operating around Taiwan were detected, with 12 of the aircraft crossing the median line of the Taiwan Strait and entering Taiwan's north, southwestern and eastern eddies. ROC armed forces have taken immediate action to monitor the situation. This marks the latest in a series of provocations, as Taiwan has already reported 253 instances of Chinese military aircraft and 150 naval ship detections in February alone. Experts believe that China's increased use of grey zone tactics, defined as efforts to achieve security objectives without restoring to direct and sizable use of force, has escalated tensions in the region. The concerns are further highlighted by Admiral Samuel Paparo, the US nominee to lead US Indo-Pacific Command. Speaking at a conference in Silicon Valley, Admiral Paparo warned that China might soon possess the capability to use military exercises as a cover for a potential invasion of Taiwan. Admiral Paparo stated, and I quote, "Despite economic and demographic challenges, China is undaunted in its ambitions, which include not only the world, the West Pacific and the South China Sea, but more acutely, Taiwan." He emphasized that People's Liberation Army has undergone significant changes in force levels and joint capabilities, posing a heightened threat. The Admiral expressed concerns about the erosion of strategic warning signs, stating that it could hinder the US military's ability to support allies and partners and respond effectively in case China decides to use force. The situation in the Taiwan Strait remains tense, and the international community is closely monitoring developments as the geopolitical landscape in the region continues to evolve.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.